Gotcha! Didn't I? Ha! Ha! Today, I am going to teach you about eating a healthy snack. And as you can see, we have some apples right here, which is a very healthy snack. I'm going to teach you how to eat apples, a healthy snack. Okay? Now, as you can see, I have my fork because who doesn't eat food without a fork? It's also great for stabbing random objects. And since nobody could ever eat healthy food ever because it's too healthy, who thought of healthy foods? Like, seriously? But since nobody can eat healthy foods because they're too healthy, I have brought something to make eating this way better. I have brought Nutella! Yay! And as you can see, it comes handy with a knife. So you just want to get some Nutella and smear it all over your apples. Stab them with it. Get it all over your apples. Everywhere. Like all over the apples. Okay? Like all over them. On every single apple. You get your handy human to come over and you force the human to eat the apple. You force feed your human.